So here I've got a shrub, a Hebe Wiri charm. I really like the flowers on this. It's a really nice colour. About two years I've had this plant. It was really small, but it's really taken off in this location. Interestingly, this is quite shaded. A lot of the year this will only get about maybe 2 hours sun. Coming up towards the middle of summer now, so now it's getting about half a day's worth of sun, but enough to produce this show of flowers. You can't beat a Hebe. Also, the bees really like these plants. There's so many different types of Hebe. They come from New Zealand, and you'll often find them in garden centres. They're quite common. I haven't seen this one though. The issue with this one is it's not that hardy. However, we had the beast from the east a couple of years ago. Was it a couple of years ago? In fact, no, it was only last year. And this took a bit of a hit. However, it came back strong, recovered all its leaves. So I'd say this is quite a safe bet. It will come back. You just got to try and possibly keep it protected during a really harsh winter. But as you can see, this is well worth planting.